The 1891 Fredonia Opera House Performing Arts Center is a premier entertainment venue located in northern Chautauqua County. This totally refurbished former vaudeville theater and movie house features a year-round schedule of live performances, lectures, satellite events, and films, as well as offers guided tours. Enjoy theater, dance, and musical performances by national and international touring artists, or follow the Opera House Cinema Series to see current, independent, and mainstream films. The Fredonia Opera House seats more than 400, is air-conditioned, handicap accessible, and equipped with an infrared hearing assistance system. It can be rented for events such as recitals, weddings, and meetings. Tours are available and take visitors on a behind-the-scenes look at this cultural gem in the heart of Fredonia. Learn more at www.fredopera.org.